A trip to the moon has always seemed to be out of this world, but now for the first time ever, it could be the wave of the future. Here's 13 ABC's Christina Williams.
All three engines up and burning. 2, 1, 0, and lift off. The final.
Imagine blasting off to space. It's something the average person can only dream of doing. But what if it's possible? University of Michigan and University of Toledo graduate Robert Dempsey is the man behind the mission.
Literally one of my earliest memories was doing a spacewalk. And by that, what I mean is I was wearing my bathrobe and I'd stuffed it with all kinds of towels so that it was bulky and hard to maneuver. And I'd taken some rope and tied myself to the bed, and that was my tether. And I was floating around the spacecraft, which was also my bed. And yeah, from about age 6, that's what I remember. That's what I love. And when a lot of kids, would say they want to be firemen and then a month later something else, I never waned in that passion. And I've been doing astronomy or space exploration ever since.
Dr. Bob works for Boeing and NASA. He is the flight director for a new project aimed at docking a commercial spacecraft with the International Space Station, an orbiting laboratory.
It's been an interesting challenge because I have been involved from the beginning, where we literally were designing the spacecraft.
From the build to training and simulations, the crew is ready for launch. The Boeing CST-100 Starliner will travel unmanned for the maiden voyage, with the goal of serving as a way to get astronauts from the U.S. to the International Space Station. Right now, NASA relies on Russia for transport, but the rides come with a hefty price tag, topping $70 million per person. If this is successful, it could open up a new world of travel.
Space is becoming more affordable, and I think there'll be a lot of regular citizens taking that trip.
The debut of the Boeing Starliner is the first step in a not so far-fetched idea of someday flying people to space hotels. And for Dr. Bob, a lifetime of preparation is just a few weeks away.
It's literally a dream fulfilled. Being a flight director has achieved everything that I ever wanted to do and more. I've had awesome opportunities, many of them historic.
Christina Williams, 13 ABC, Action News.
And Dr. Bob says the Starliner is set for its maiden launch on August 17th, and we'll be sure to update you when that happens.